Rosalind Franklin was a brilliant scientist. Her work changed our understanding of DNA. DNA is the molecule that carries genetic information. Franklin's research helped us see how DNA is structured. Her contributions were crucial, yet often overlooked. Franklin was born in London in 1920. She showed an early interest in science. She excelled in her studies and went on to work in a new field. This field was X-ray crystallography. It allowed scientists to look at molecules in detail. Franklin's work in this area was groundbreaking. Her most famous achievement was Photo 51. This was an X-ray image of DNA. It provided key insights into the DNA structure. Franklin's work helped other scientists make major discoveries. Yet, she did not get the credit she deserved during her lifetime. Franklin faced many challenges. She worked in a male-dominated field. She also had to deal with professional conflicts. Despite these obstacles, her legacy endures. Today, she is celebrated for her contributions to science. Rosalind Franklin was born on July 25, 1920, in London. Her family valued education. They encouraged her interest in science. From a young age, Franklin was curious about the natural world. Franklin attended St. Paul's Girls' School. She excelled in chemistry and physics. In 1938, Franklin entered Newnham College at Cambridge University. World War II broke out during her studies. She graduated in 1941 with a degree in natural sciences. Franklin earned her PhD in physical chemistry in 1945. Franklin's early research set the stage for her future achievements in science. After completing her PhD, Franklin moved to Paris. She worked at the Laboratoire Central des Services Chimiques de l'État. There, she learned about X-ray crystallography. This technique uses X-rays to study the structure of crystals. It was a new and exciting field. Franklin quickly became an expert. In 1951, Franklin returned to London. She took a research position at King's College. Her task was to study the structure of DNA. At King's College, she used X-ray crystallography to examine DNA fibers. Her work was meticulous. She produced high-quality images of DNA. Franklin's expertise in X-ray crystallography was unmatched. She developed new techniques to improve the clarity of her images. Her colleagues recognized her skill, yet she often worked in isolation. The scientific community at King's College was competitive and sometimes unwelcoming. Despite these challenges, Franklin made significant progress. Her images of DNA were the clearest ever taken. She captured detailed pictures of the molecule's structure. These images would later become crucial in understanding DNA. One of Franklin's most important contributions was Photo 51. This was an X-ray diffraction image of DNA. It was taken in May 1952. The image showed a clear pattern of DNA's helical structure. It provided critical evidence for the double-helix model of DNA. The image was sharp and detailed. It displayed the characteristic X shape of the DNA helix. This was a major breakthrough in understanding genetic material. Franklin's colleague, Maurice Wilkins, showed Photo 51 to James Watson without her permission. Watson, along with Francis Crick, used the image to develop their model of DNA. They published their findings in 1953. Watson and Crick's work was groundbreaking. It earned them a Nobel Prize in 1962. However, Franklin's contribution was not acknowledged. Franklin continued her research on DNA. She also studied viruses and coal. She published numerous papers on her findings. Franklin faced many challenges during her career. One major issue was gender discrimination. In the 1950s, science was a male-dominated field. Women scientists were often marginalized. Franklin experienced this firsthand. At King's College, Franklin had a difficult working relationship with Maurice Wilkins. Their professional conflict was well documented. Despite these difficulties, Franklin remained dedicated to her research. She focused on her work and produced groundbreaking results. Her contributions were significant, even if they were not always recognized. Today, she is celebrated as a pioneer in science. Her story is a reminder of the challenges faced by women in science. It also highlights the importance of perseverance and dedication. In recent years, Franklin has received numerous posthumous honors. Universities and research institutions have named buildings and awards after her. Her contributions to science are now widely acknowledged. Franklin's work continues to inspire new generations of scientists. Franklin's influence extends beyond her scientific achievements. She is a role model for women in science. Her story encourages others to pursue their passions despite obstacles. Franklin's legacy is a testament to her brilliance and determination. Her impact on science is enduring and profound. Rosalind Franklin's contributions to science are invaluable. Her work continues to influence research and inspire new discoveries. Franklin's brilliance and determination have left an indelible mark on the world of science. We celebrate her achievements and honor her legacy. Do subscribe to my channel Famous Footprints for more videos like this.